Hey guys, Fix Alex here, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove rear door panel on this Chrysler Pacifica. This is the tools and 10mm socket. If you guys lucky and you can open the door, it's much more better and easier. It's pain in the neck to remove this cover, very uncomfortable. So first of all, gently remove those two covers using something small. Just pick it gentle to avoid any scratches, just like that, as you can see. Now this the other side, pick it on the bottom, gentle. There is two clips on this side. Okay, now using 10mm, remove 3 bolts, 1, 2 and 3, and now the headache starts. There is like 100 clips, not 100, it's like 11 of them around the panel, and you need to pull the panel out. First time it's gonna be very hard, so before you pull the panel out, you need to remove this trim. Oh, it's come out easily. Pull it diagonally up, just like that. There is 3 clips, 1, 2, 3, as you can see. Okay, now you can start to pull your panel out. Start from the bottom, pull all the clips out, and then you need to lift the panel up, because there is like little hook over there. So start from the bottom, like I said. It's come out easily because I'm doing this second time, but first time, oh, I heard something broken. Okay, yeah, everything's come out, but it was extremely hard first time. When you lift your panel and remove it, don't pull it all the way out. Slide tap on the door handle, slide tap, just like this, just like that. Now you can remove the door panel handle, and now remove connector for your door window switch, and that's it. That's how you remove the, if you want to open the door, that's it. Open the door, remove your speaker, Torx 27, 4 bolts, and whatever you need to do, and that's it. To put everything back, just repeat everything in reverse. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and comment what else should I record next about this car. Thank you and bye.